So I decided to produce this video in English as well. I mean, try my best, okay? Because I recognize there's a couple guys watching from overseas. Thanks August, by the way. Anyway, yeah, I try my best in English. Today I would like to check out the chainsaw closes when getting hit by the chain. For that case I'm using the Stihl Function Ergo, and it was quite funny. I mean, not funny, but it happened. And an ex-employee from me just cut himself on the first day into the pants, and he was really lucky because he just hit this part here, and yeah, luckily it worked out and he didn't cut his leg. So yeah, anyway, this pants are fucked, and so we can give it a hard time anyway now. Then I would also like to check out some chainsaw boots. 3 different boots. These one are from Hikes, quite famous I reckon, and these one are from Engelbert Strauss, another company here in Germany. Yeah, it's from Elton, the Forest, like middle price. And then I also got this quite cheap standard chainsaw boots from Stabilus. Yeah, and I'm excited. I'll give it a hard time for sure. What makes me confused sometimes is that these tests, especially here on YouTube as well, are always done with quite small saws. It's quite small saws. I'm talking about these 020 from Stihl, but also chainsaws like 261 or 361 from Stihl. But I'm honest, I want to see what happens with a big saw, you know. So I got the 66 from Stihl here with a long bar. To see what's going on there. Woo! Awesome. Oh, it's crazy. It just worked, I think. Yeah. Stopped immediately, but almost can't get it out there anymore. Woohoo! That was mean. Oh, I'm impressed how that worked. Never done this before, really. Just hit my boots one time with the 020. Nothing happened. Woo! Just stopped immediately, eh? Yeah, but if you have a second view onto this, I mean, these pants were fully fucked, eh? Look at that. It's crazy, eh? I just hit this part here, just above the knee. Ooh. Now let's have a look at the stem. I tell you what, that's Not good. This is a really mean injury. Won't kill ya, but the bone is gone for sure. I'm really impressed, mate. Man. Unbelievable. This is a massive, big cut. You see that? This is exactly what I was talking about before. This is what I always wanted to see in these tests, you know. Because I was always thinking like a little cut with a little saw will be working out, but yeah, if you hit your leg with a big 66, bad injury. Alright, I'm going to clean this mess up. Chain is still packed with this shit here. Then we're coming back to the boots. Woo! I'm still shocked, honestly. Crazy. Train really stopped quite fast, but yeah, we have seen before there's still a major injury for sure. Okay, whatever. Chainsaw is ready to go again. Wasn't too bad to get it all out again. I put a piece of timber in here and fixed the shoe a little bit. Yeah, and I know, of course, the boots are normally not fixed really, but it's still a bit flexible, and if I wouldn't fix it, it would just fly away when I hit it with the saw. So yeah, I'm excited. Have you seen that? Unbelievable. Look. Unbelievable. Just gone. No way. I can't believe it. Even the saw is still clean. What the fuck? What the fuck? Unbelievable. I'm shocked. Unbelievable, isn't it? Crazy. Can you imagine wearing this and get hit by a 66? I went through full power, I guess, but I think even if you hit it full power, Alright, next try with a high quality chainsaw boot from Hikes. Way more expensive as the one before, and I hope that this works out better. Can you imagine that? Horrifying. Unbelievable. Look at that. just cut it through the whole way without any problem. And look at the bar. Unbelievable. I'm really shocked. I'm really shocked. Fucking hell. Alright. I'm shocked. Can't imagine what happened. Really. Just went through, eh? It's crazy. Here it got pulled out, at least, but what happened here at the expensive one? Nothing. Whatever. I know about the importance of the PPE, but yeah, it just avoids the massive injuries, but it's still dangerous to work with heavy saws, and whew, makes me think about even more. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I think I don't need to cut the third boot, because I know what will happen anyway. Yeah, whatever. So far, stay safe. See ya.